morning, Kevin Moore here with Carroll Landscaping and CLI Home Services on second part of our dry riverbed drainage swale video completed here in North Baltimore, Maryland. So here's our completed project. We checked everything with our zip level, which I showed you in the previous video. We made some adjustments to make sure that we had positive drainage throughout the swale. One of the biggest problems and concerns we had with this job is that we're like the third or fourth contractor in. We did not start the design process, so we're doing a lot of retrofitting on this. One of the early mistakes made at this property was this fence. Primarily, the best way to have done this drainage was to bring it straight through where I'm standing in the natural drainage swale or grass channel that would have been and was originally placed at this house. Obviously, we couldn't do that because we have a very nice fence here. We've got a lot of existing and somewhat established plants. So we had to be real careful to make sure to channel the water out through the fence between this gigantic tree and the fence, which is a challenge. So we had to bank this side a great deal and into the backyard. Come on into the back, let's check this out. So as we come through here, basically what we got is we've got our existing Tacuba, which like I said, we're here before we got here. We had to dig down in this area so that we could get the water to come around, come under the fence through our Delaware Blend Riverjack stone, down, kind of create a nice run out, and then a nice aperture at the end where the lawn panel starts again. So we used some of the 3 to 5 inch stone to again build up the soil and then bank this corner, so as the water comes around and comes through this area under the fence, we hit this corner and it follows in our riverbed. We already tested it with the hose, which is not a perfect way to test it because obviously we get a really heavy rain. We're going to have a lot more water coming out of it than we're going to have from a hose, but it's running really nicely, running right through the center of the channel. Swale's functioning perfectly and the client's thrilled. So thanks for joining us on this video. If you like this, give us a thumbs up on Twitter, a big thumbs up on Facebook, and please check this out on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. We want to keep bringing you good quality content and showing you what we can do. Have a great weekend.